Well, looks like another storm's on the way across portions of western and central Wyoming. Start by taking a look at our watch, warning, and advisory map. As you can see, winter storm warnings are up across much of southwestern Wyoming, including Evanston, Rock Springs, up toward the Big Piney area. Pinedale also included in this as well. And winter weather advisory is a little bit further north. The storm will be tracking to the south, so heaviest amounts usually just to the north of the low. Hence, right about in here, you expect some highlights to be issued further east out towards Cheyenne as well as we head into the evening hours. As far as total snowfall, again, heaviest amounts right in that area. Basically, Rock Springs expecting about 6 to 9 inches, locally over a foot across portions of the Salt and Wyoming range as well as across the Wind Rivers. And much of this area in here expected to see at least 6 inches of snow. You go further north, it drops off pretty quick. Now, I want you to notice that, because there is still a little bit of uncertainty as to where the northern edge of the snow is going to be. The models aren't in complete agreement yet. Now, as a result, some places are very close to that line, places like Lander, Riverton, as well as Casper, as well as US 2026. So if the storm does shift just a little bit further to the north, moving to 25 miles could make a big difference in snowfall across those areas. We could say 1 to 2, and they could pick up maybe 4 or 5 or 6. So keep an eye on the forecast as we get closer, especially Wednesday into Wednesday afternoon. As far as impacts, major travel impacts, Interstate 80 without a doubt. It's become snow covered starting late Saturday night in the west, spreading east across the area tomorrow, even into early Thursday. Things should start to wind down as we head towards, say, mid-morning Thursday into Thursday afternoon. Those will be the bad areas. Again, slick and snow-covered roads. A little bit of blowing snow as we head toward Wednesday night. Teton as well as South Pass will be slick at times, as well as Salt Pass. I-25 should miss most of this. Maybe around the Casper area, if the storm goes a little bit further to the north, could have some problems there, but most of I-25 should be okay for most of it. As far as accumulation, again, 6 to 9, maybe 10 inches, locally higher amounts. South of the Wind River Range, as well as south of the Rattlesnake Range, Rock Springs, Green River, going to get a lot of snow out of this more than likely. Lighter amounts further north, but again, watch that track of that storm. If it comes a little bit further north, there could be a little heavier snow as you head further north. And hypothermia, temperatures not as cold as we have seen. However, Wednesday into Wednesday night, once the storm gets going, temperatures could drop to 0, maybe a little below on the I-80 corridor with that blowing snow as well as the heavy snow. Could get a little dangerous there at times if you're traveling Wednesday night, so make sure you have a survival kit in your car, especially then if you have to travel then. As always, take a look at some of the resources here. Again, weather.gov/RIW for our forecast. Road conditions and closure, I want to keep emphasizing. These are the places to go. Don't call us. We don't know anything. They don't know. Matter of fact, they'll know before we will. WyoRoad.info if you're on the web, 511. If you're in the state of Wyoming, if you're outside Wyoming, 188 Wyo Road Info are the places to call for road conditions. And also, bring up our webcam page. Just go to our homepage, go under local programs, go under webcams. It'll have webcams for just about everywhere in the state where they have a webcam. You can take a look at the road conditions, whether it's like this, or you go 10 miles away and it's socked in like this. And there's your briefing. Have a good day and be safe.